When we are asked to divide a number by another number of 2 digits or more, for instance 768 divided by 32, then the easiest way to solve these is by using a method called long division. We lay out our calculation as follows. Like in short division, we start from the left, the hundreds column, and work towards the units column. Looking at the 7, we can see that 32 does not go into 7, so we move across to the tens column and look at the 76. The next step involves a bit of trial and error. Going up the 32 times table, we can see that 32 times 2 is 64, which is less than 76, and 32 times 3 is 96, which is higher than 76. Therefore, the highest number of times that 32 goes into 76 is twice. We therefore put a 2 above the 6 in the tens column. We also write the 64, which represents the 32 times 2 underneath the 76. We then subtract the 64 from the 76, which gives us 12, as 6 minus 4 is 2, and 7 minus 6 is 1. We then look at the 12 and see that 32 doesn't go into 12. We therefore need to bring down the 8 in the units column of the 768. Next, we need to work out how many times 32 goes into 128. Again, we have to use a bit of trial and error to work this out. Often it's easiest to get close to the answer we're looking for by using rounder numbers. In this instance, you might spot that 30 times 4 is 120, and therefore 32 times 4 is 128. Alternatively, you can just work your way up the 32 times table. Eventually, you should calculate that 32 goes into 128 4 times. We put the 4 into our calculation and get our final answer of 24.